We've unboxed and reviewed this Itel smartwatch, but first thing first, you must charge this thing full before you start using it. That will get you the best out of the battery life. And then the next thing is that you're going to set up your language and scan the QR code. You can see it inside the watch or in the manual if you're the type that read manual. And once you scan that, it will open you to the app. And once you're in the app, you're going to need to connect the smartwatch and pair it with Bluetooth, and then give it all the permission for it to work absolutely well. So once you're done with that, as I promised, I'm going to show you every menu, every feature in this app and what they do. Like turning that watch knob will change the watch faces. Also, if you go ahead and sync it, you will see the weather app in the watch, which is interesting. Pressing that knob will open menu, and from there you can swap to the left, to the right, all the swappings and what they do. In fact, let's just jump in. Let me show you every single menu and feature in this Itel smartwatch. This is the watch itself. Pressing and holding this place will give you the multiple watch screen, so you can scroll to the left, to the right, pick different screen you like. Of course, there is the wallpaper app on the phone that you can create more with. So I usually like to do this one. So from the top, it gives you some quick settings like the brightness. No, the brightness is lowered a bit. Others like the brightness, like half if I'm indoors. And then from the swiping from the left will go back. So there is touch light. You can tap it up, it becomes like a touch light. Swiping from the left will always go back. So there is do not disturb mode, low power mode, and card, adding an e-card. So, but let me go to the settings here. You can see the display. Yeah, you can set the brightness, sleep. And yeah, there's a message that just came in. We're going to get to that later by swiping left. So watch face, you can also go back to watch face from here. So you see a lot of things here, passcode, drain, system, about, and all that. So these are the things that here. You swipe up again to take it out. So swiping from down will give you the SMS, so you can read. So this is the SMS here. Yeah, I can delete this. Or you can actually clear all to clear all the SMS. So down again from up will take you back up all the menu. So I'm going to quickly show you all the menu here. This is the dialer. You can see recent call I've dialed recently. You can see the dial pad, and also you can see contacts. I've not synced any contacts. It's already showed you in the app. So then this is the clock. You can see the clock, the watch face, and then we can go back again. This is the message. So swipe on the fly. Then another SMS just appeared on the phone. It pops up immediately while it goes, and then it goes out. And this is the exercise that you can actually set. You can set this for the exercise. There are different ones: cycling, up and running. There are different options, golfing, whatever it is, it will help you measure that. Then there is this nodes. There is this oxygen measurement, there is this stress measurement, there is this weather. So you can see here it's actually giving me Port Harcourt weather currently. Okay, there is music player. That's if you have any music stored in. There is relaxation, there is AI voice, there is timer. So for this one, there are different presets, and you can actually put custom and you go with the time you set. So there is alarm, stopwatch, there is find my phone, but this one is not actually doing anything. There is calculator, there is game. Let's play the game a bit. Oops, it's game over. So, and there is also back to setting. So let's go to system. So in the system, you're going to see option to restart, power off, and so let's do reset. So let's do restart, confirm, and it's going to restart the system. You can see it here, smart speed. You can also power off by pressing and holding the power button for a while to bring that up. So scrolling by the right, you will see the activity. Then you can see all the activity in one place. So activity, then we'll go to sleep. And this one is actually more accurate. You can go back, because what I realized that the sleep is not so accurate in measuring. But if you want to measure it very well, you just wear the watch when you lie down, and then it will start measuring the sleep. So I think this is fair and not very accurate. So this is my yesterday sleep. I did sleep about almost 7 hours. So there is a heartbeat, they call it BPM. Heartbeat, there is oxygen level in the blood, there is stress. I've tested all this, and then also the weather you have seen before. Now, so press and hold to change the watch face if you want to. Well, let's skip this one, and that's just about everything.
So yeah, this is the Itel Smartwatch Fit O20 features. Do check out our full review and like, share, subscribe for more.